So guys, I must be honest with you guys, I made a mistake.
My tent looks a bit rubbish because I couldn't put the nails in and I had to help myself with rocks, but it was alright for the night.
So, we're back on the road. Today will be a bit of a different day. Today I will be doing my motorcycle maintenance and edit some videos and hide a bit from the heat at McDonald's and the climate control while editing my videos because I have Wi-Fi there. I have something cold to drink there. I think that is quite a good plan for today because I'm already sweating like hell. My night was kind of alright for the circumstances. I've gotten so many mosquito bites though. Oh, I'm sweating so much. Fuck. Literally the sweat is dropping into my eyes and onto my mouth. Oh, wind, thank God. As soon as you get up to speed, it's kind of alright.
So, we have a little bit of a problem. My tire is used up unevenly. We don't have any profile left here. But if I turn it all the way over here, slowly there starts to be some profile. And I don't know really why. My neighbor said it could be due to overinflation of the tire. But yeah, also with the sun.
Today we're going to Valencia and we'll set up camp right after Valencia basically. I'm not sure when I will change my tire, if I will change it when I'm back from Morocco or before I go to Morocco.
Hay gasolina para la moto y la bebida. Yo quiero pagar con tarjeta. Gracias.
So guys, as you guys can see, we have reached 50,000 kilometers on this bike. We started at 46,000. So that means we have driven 4,000 kilometers on this trip till now. Well, I now drove all the way here. This riverbed is really dry and I just decided to pull over for a little moment because I nearly wiped out. I was going through those turns over here, actually at a really slow speed, and all of a sudden my front tire just slipped away. Basically in that corner right over there, I almost fell. Like it was this area right here. Oh yeah, this is some really slippy stone. Like my shoes don't even have grip on this. So really carefully checking out this ground. I think now this should be better again. Is this the road we're supposed to take? Doesn't look really confidence inspiring. I think all of those trees are lemon trees, to be honest, because we just drove past a building that looked like a lemon factory. Also, I must say, even though it's super hot, I am managing the heat quite alright today. I mean, we've traveled 4,000 kilometers so far, and it's also crazy to think how we're traveling through the different biomes of Europe. Like, we've been in Germany, in the different forests there. We've been through Belgium. We've been through the nail tree areas of Landes in France. We've been in the Pyrenees. We've been in the half desert of Spain. It's kind of crazy to think. Also experiencing 2 different oceans. So we now arrived in Valencia. It's a really gorgeous city. Like, the streets are really beautiful here. My GoPro overheated really badly. Like, it overheated so much that I couldn't hold it in my hand anymore, and that I was worried it maybe blows up or something. But when it cooled down, the SD card and everything was still intact. On our way to the cathedral now. Ooh, another gorgeous street. I pretty much made up my mind and decided I will still change my tires here in Spain. At least my rear tire. That thing doesn't look good and also doesn't feel good. And the perspective of driving through Morocco and all the way back with that tire doesn't sound good. After visiting Barcelona, Valencia is definitely the more beautiful city, I must say. I think I will be changing my tires in Granada, because I found a good Yamaha place in Granada with good reviews, where there was even like a French review from a guy who fell and they repaired his bike in the same day. And I'm pretty sure that they don't write their own reviews, because why would they write them in French, you know? Well guys, I now arrived at the cathedral in Valencia. And this place here is really gorgeous, also with its gorgeous floor, and there's an amazing fountain that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. And I'm also quite happy to be off the bike for a few minutes and get something cold to drink. So guys, I must be honest with you guys, I made a mistake. I made a mistake that I already realized many kilometers before, basically already in Belgium and in France, is I picked the wrong time for this trip. I am miserable under this heat. It's so incredibly shit. Like, I wake up in the morning and I'm already scared of just putting on the long pants, basically. And driving through all those Spanish little cities like Valencia, I mean not little, but like driving through Valencia, through Barcelona, with all this gear on is extremely miserable. And also I must say, the last few days I have not been enjoying my trip. Like, kind of since we left Barcelona, need to have a little break here. I kind of have been not that happy, to be honest. And we're getting closer to Morocco, and a decision needs to be made. Like, I was thinking of maybe turning around, but to be honest, that's not an option. I don't want to turn around. I made the decision that I will go to Morocco. That is my goal, and I will do that. If it's warm as shit, so what? We still are going to do it. Till now, my motto kind of was the way is the goal, basically, and I looked at all those amazing things on the way, and I kind of still want to do that, and that's actually still my philosophy. But on the other side, I want to get some kilometers done, and I'm currently not enjoying this phase of my trip. So I will have to do some soul searching tonight, and we'll have to make a decision. So you guys will basically know what that decision is tomorrow.